Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about some Hostinger coupon codes. Now you can see on my website right now, it's a giant Hostinger sale, and you can see I'm getting a discount, right, for about $2 per month and plus 2 extra months. Now all you have to do is just type in the link I'm going to show on the screen right now. Just go to this link and you'll be landed into a page such as this, right? Now from here, just click on start now, and you can see we're getting a huge discount off, about 78% off, and we can only get a premium business and also a cloud startup for only about $2 per month, $3 per month, and also $6 per month, and of course plus 2 months free, right? So it's a pretty good deal, and all you have to do is click on the link that I'm showing on the screen and you can get this great deal for yourself. If you decide to choose any one of these, just click on choose plan, and then you can continue with the purchase with the discount applied just like that. And all you have to do was click on the link. You can see this is what it is. It'll show you the saving we have earned, about $400. Again, only $2 per month from the normal $12 per month. And this is the subtotal we have to pay for our web hosting in Hostinger. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.